Have you ever flipped on the kitchen light late at night and felt your stomach drop? Something small darts across the floor, disappears under the counter, and suddenly you don't feel safe in your own home. What if I told you there's a simple kitchen smell that cockroaches absolutely can't stand, and it doesn't come from a chemical spray or a trap from the store? Cockroaches are one of the most common and most hated household pests. They sneak out at night, crawl over food surfaces, and leave behind germs you don't want anywhere near your family. The worst part is that many people think the only solution is toxic sprays or sticky traps that don't really solve the problem. Today, we're talking about a natural, kitchen-based trick that uses something you probably already have at home. You'll learn how a common cooking ingredient can help drive cockroaches away and even wipe out hidden nests when used the right way. This is simple, affordable, and easy to do even if you've never tried pest control before. Let's start with why cockroaches are such a big problem in the first place. Cockroaches aren't just creepy, they're dirty. They crawl through drains, garbage, and damp spaces, then walk across your counters, dishes, and food. Along the way, they carry bacteria and leave behind droppings and saliva that contaminate surfaces. Cockroaches love dark, warm, and humid places. That's why they show up in kitchens, bathrooms, and under sinks. They come out at night because it's quiet and they can search for food without being disturbed. Even tiny crumbs or grease splatters are enough to keep them coming back. Now, here's where things get interesting. Cockroaches rely heavily on their sense of smell to survive. Smell helps them find food, avoid danger, and communicate with each other. Strong, pungent odors overwhelm their nervous system and make areas feel unsafe. That's why certain natural smells can be powerful tools against them. One of the strongest smells in most kitchens is garlic. To us, garlic smells rich and flavorful. To cockroaches, it's intense and irritating. When garlic is crushed or chopped, it releases a compound that becomes especially strong and unpleasant to insects. The stronger the smell, the more uncomfortable cockroaches feel. To make garlic effective, preparation matters. Fresh garlic works best because it contains more active compounds. When you slice or crush garlic, you break open its cells and release the pungent juices inside. That strong smell you notice right away is exactly what cockroaches hate. Once the garlic is prepared, combining it with a small amount of dishwashing liquid makes it even more effective. Dish soap breaks down oily surfaces, and cockroaches have a thin protective layer on their bodies that helps them retain moisture. When that layer is damaged, they dry out quickly and lose their ability to move. Mixing garlic, dish soap, and hot water creates a simple spray that targets cockroaches where they live. The hot water helps release more of the garlic's active smell and allows everything to blend evenly. After letting the mixture sit, it becomes strong enough to use in problem areas. The key is where you apply it. Cockroaches hide in cracks, corners, and damp spaces. Under the sink is a major hotspot because it stays wet and often has food residue nearby. Drains, pipes, and cabinet edges are common hiding places where cockroaches feel safe. Kitchen counters and stove areas are another favorite. Grease splashes, crumbs, and warm surfaces make these spots attractive. Spraying only open surfaces isn't enough. You want to focus on cracks along walls, edges of cabinets, and corners where they travel. Trash cans are also a big problem area. Food scraps, moisture, and darkness make them perfect gathering spots. The space between the bottom and sides of the trash can is often overlooked, but that's where cockroaches like to hide. Spraying these areas helps break their routine paths. When cockroaches crawl through treated areas, the garlic smell irritates their senses, and the soap damages their protective layer. Over time, this weakens them and reduces their ability to survive. More importantly, it makes your home feel unsafe to them, encouraging them to leave. Here's the part most people don't realize. Garlic spray doesn't just affect individual cockroaches. When used consistently, it disrupts their entire nesting system. Cockroaches communicate through scent trails, and strong garlic odors interfere with those signals. That means cockroaches can't easily find food, return to hiding spots, or regroup with others. When their communication breaks down, nests weaken and collapse. This is why a simple kitchen ingredient can be more effective than random traps placed around the house. There's also a second option if you prefer something dry instead of a spray. A simple mixture using baking soda and sugar can act as a bait. Cockroaches are attracted to sugar, but their digestive systems can't handle baking soda. When consumed, it creates internal pressure that quickly becomes fatal for cockroaches. This dry mixture can be placed in small dishes near problem areas. Cockroaches often carry it back to their nests, spreading the effect to others. Over a few days, you may notice a sharp drop in activity as the colony weakens. Getting rid of cockroaches doesn't have to mean filling your home with harsh chemicals. Simple kitchen ingredients like garlic can become powerful tools when you understand how pests behave. Strong smells, smart placement, and consistency make all the difference. By using natural methods, you protect your home, your food, and your peace of mind. If this tip helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy, health-friendly home solutions. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried a natural remedy for pests, or are you dealing with cockroaches right now? Drop your experience in the comments and let's talk.